guys, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you asked me what is the secret behind your long hair. So this was my length a year back, and you will see what is my hair length is right now. So there is no secret as such. I have made an oil according to my granny's and mama's suggestions, and that worked out so well for me. So if you want to know what my secret is, then please keep on watching this video. For this you're gonna need dry curry leaves, and curry leaves are really nice for your hair. It has antioxidant properties. It gives moisture to your hair and remove dry follicles from your hair. Next you're gonna need fenugreek seeds. I like to powder them a little bit so it dissolves in oil very quickly. Fenugreek seeds are very high protein for your hair. It prevents dandruff and your hair fall as well. Then you're gonna need hibiscus powder. I have taken market one. If you don't have, then just try the hibiscus flowers and powder them. It works as a conditioner to your hair. Then you're gonna need coconut oil. I've taken virgin coconut oil. I don't need to tell you what this coconut oil is. Gives a nice moisture to your hair. I've taken neem oil, which works as a antibacterial. It has antibacterial properties. It works for your dandruff and bacteria. And I have taken castor oil, which works on baldness and hair fall. It prevents hair fall and gives strength to your hair. So for this oil you're gonna need a heavy metal pot. Do not take a very light pot. It can burn your oil very quickly. Let it heaten up a little bit and then add a fenugreek seeds, which is powdered a little bit. And remember, I have taken 5 minutes gap of after every ingredient. So I let the ingredient leave their properties into the oil, and then I add another one. After fenugreek seeds, I have added curry leaves. I have taken 500 ml coconut oil, 5 rupees bunch of curry leaves, 4 spoons of fenugreek seeds, and 100 ml of neem oil. After curry leaves, I add neem oil and let it boil a little bit. You can see neem oil leaves the color. And then I have added 4 big tablespoon of castor oil. I do not like the stickiness of that castor oil. That's why I added 4 spoons. If you want more. If you want less. But this is what my method is. And then I leave this for 5 minutes. And after that, I add hibiscus powder in it. It is a powder. That's why I add it later. If you have flowers, then add it with curry leaves. And once you added all the ingredients, you have to leave this oil on slow flame for 20 minutes. You have to let it boil for 20 minutes. You can see in the nice boil. I like to stir it with a spoon in between so that the powder and the curry leaves sticks to the edges of the pot. This hair has made my hair not only longer but stronger. My dandruff is cured. In between I had stopped using, so I had gained my hair fall again, but once I started using it, I have lost, my hair fall is stopped, my hair strength is back, and my hair shine is back. You have seen a drastic length change in my hair. I have shown you in the pictures. So this is what I use for my hair, and definitely I'm guaranteeing you, if you use this oil, it will make a difference in your hair. Once it is done, I let it aside for 24 hours. Once it is completely cooled down, I strain it with a strainer. And do not throw the paste which is left over. Just strain out with a malmal cloth, as much as all you can. And whatever dry paste is left, you can use it as a hair mask. Leave it for 1 hour or 2 hours and then wash it with herbal shampoo. Do not condition after that. So that's it for this video. This is what my secret remedy is for my hair oil and my hair. I hope you must have liked it, and do share it. Do share your rewards about this oil. Do try this out. Let me know what you think about this oil. And if you like this video, then please give me a big fat thumbs up. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, love you all. Bye.